Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling ingredients. Use 1 cup basmati rice, 1 cup cooked chickpeas, 1 cup finely chopped bell peppers, and 1 cup shredded lettuce for a single serving bowl. Omit onion, garlic, and eggs to keep it Jain compliant. Instead, use 1/8 teaspoon hing asafoetida and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds for aroma. Measure 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 lime for juice, 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro, and salt to taste. Prepare 1/2 cup plain yogurt substitute if preferred. Rinse 1 cup basmati rice until the water runs clear, then combine with 1.5 cups water in a pot and bring to a boil. Reduce to low, cover and cook for 12 minutes, then rest 5 minutes covered. While rice cooks, heat 2 tablespoons olive oil in a pan, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and 1/8 teaspoon hing until fragrant, then add 1 cup cooked chickpeas, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and sauté. Simmer chickpeas 8–10 minutes until heated through and slightly mashed for texture. Finish with 1 teaspoon lime juice and 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro. Assemble the Jain Burrito bowl by layering 1 cup cooked rice, 1 cup spiced chickpeas, 1 cup shredded lettuce, and 1 cup chopped bell peppers in a bowl. Top with 2 tablespoons green chutney or a plain yogurt substitute if preferred, squeeze 1 lime over the bowl, and garnish with 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro and 1 tablespoon sev or roasted peanuts for crunch. Serve immediately or pack for lunch. Store leftovers in an airtight container up to 3 days and reheat gently until steaming, reaching at least 70 degrees C before serving to ensure food safety.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.